Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that old shit. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Today the sun is shining. Please go outside and get you some shine and let it caress your skin. Or whatever, just go outside and get you some fresh air. It's just good for you. But anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So look, so check this out. What the fuck is going on with my hair? Oh wait, so since I'm talking about my hair, fucking with my hair, uh a lot of people, I didn't even mean to talk about this, but a lot of people when they look at my hair, they'll be like, "Oh, your hair is like from the '70s and all this other shit." And I had to remind them, like, okay, yes, that was an era, with that where the beads and all that shit was popping up. I said, but no, but I'm channeling Africa. This is an African thing. Actually, I got inspired by, God damn it, I do not know her name. It's this real famous African artist. Mind you, she had her hair done like this, like the braid part, where it was, but it was with some extensions. I think they had, they take your braid, they take it and they go around and around and around. So at the ends they cut it and it was like a big boof ball at the bottom. But it looked a little weird because it was that, with the extensions and shit. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna do that to my shit and just puff up my, instead of braiding all the way down and I'm just gonna take the comb and I'm gonna poof it up like that. And also with the braids going down, I was just like, no other than, the African queen. Like, what were we doing? Okay, I just had to get that out of the way because yeah, a lot of people do be thinking that, and I just have to politely put them in their place. And also, I notice like when people from Africa see my hair and they see me and and the way that they look at me, they be like, they like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like she rocking the African, like it's because that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, people. But anyway, y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. I just want to give y'all like that quick little intro about the history of my hair. So, okay, so when a fucking orgasm is just too intense. Now, mind you, I think I told y'all this story. I'm gonna share it again. When I was working at a swing club as a host, it was this girl that came in. Her and her man came in there together, and it was her first time, and she was a little nervous. So, and I'm taking her around, letting her know like all the lingo and this is that, and all this and all this so shit. And so she was just like, this is my first time. I don't know. Her husband was off doing whatever the fuck he was doing, and so I said, let me go get you a drink. Now, mind you, she would have like real big ass titties, and she was a thickums. You know what I'm saying? So I went to go get her a drink. I come back with the drink. This bitch laid down, legs wide open. She got one dude on this titty, but this was the time I was really jealous of a bitch. She had one dude on this titty, another dude on this titty, and somebody was licking her pussy in them. Cha. I was just like, and all you heard was the sounds of ah, mm, ah, just the sounds of sweet satisfaction. That's all you heard. I was just sitting there looking like, but anyway, but yet happy for her because you know what I'm saying. So and then you could just imagine like. However, this one dude is handling this nipple, like he different. The dude that's doing over here, he different. The one looking at your pussy, like that was different. Like she was just, oh my God. It was magnificent to watch. I was so glad to witness this shit. But um afterwards, I don't know, I must have left and I came back and she was crying. Her husband was holding her. And she was just like, I'm just like, trying to make sure, that you okay, you know what I'm saying? Like, so she was like, no, it ain't like that. She just said it was just too intense. Like her orgasms was just too intense because they was like just coming, and she just didn't know how to control it, and it was to where it just made her nervous to where like it was just so intense where she was just like, no, I can't. And I just recently heard a story of two people who was getting it in, And he was like, yo, she just couldn't take it no more. She was crying and running away and all this other shit and was shaking and all that. I was like, wow. Here is my trick to this. Like, first of all, an orgasm is intense, right? Because you are having like it's multiple motherfucking muscles contractions in your vagina, right? So you just like, it's just a whole bunch of shit, internal shit just going on, and you just, but you have to relax and let it go and let it just be. You know what I'm saying? Just stay in the moment, and it's just like, and go limp, like, and just enjoy the desire. You know what I'm saying? That you are receiving. Like, now we only talk about consensual sex here, motherfuckers. Let's not get stupid. So, you just and just let it just flow and let your pussy just let it go. Don't even worry about thinking about, oh, I'm peeing. I don't hear women like, no, I stop because I feel like I'm about to pee or whatever. Girl, you are having an orgasm. Let that shit go. And your pussy probably about to squirt. Don't deny your pussy that. Girl, let that pussy go. Let that pussy go. So you just sit there and just, I mean, you have to relax. This is the thing about sex. You have to stay in the moment. Consensual sex, what the fuck we talking about, y'all? You stay in the moment. Don't allow your mind to go other places to where it feel like just it's like too intense, because sex is intense, especially when it's really really good and you about to have all these orgasms and shit. You have to relax and let it flow. Just relax and let the shit just flow. Don't be jumping up too much. You about to pee on yourself and all stupid shit, bitch. Girl, go ahead. Just relax. And even if you do squirt, maybe you are a squirter, and maybe each time that shit happen, like, you stop. Because I've heard women who tell me things like that, be like, yo, I feel like I'm about to pee or something. Girl, even so what? Pee on his ass. You know what I'm saying? Just let that shit go. And more likely it's not that. Yes, there is some components of urine, a little bit of components of urine when when a female ejaculates through squirting. So what? Like, but girl, that shit is like, afterwards, bitch, you'll be like this. Hi, everybody. What do you want, honey? Yes, you can go there. Huh? How are you? To somebody you don't even like. Good morning. It's just delightful. Like, I mean, sex is such a beautiful thing, and it put you in such a great mind state where you getting it good. So stay in the moments, ladies. Don't allow that to just relax. You have to relax. With anything, you have to learn how to relax. Okay, now let me take y'all all off. This ain't got nothing to do with sex, but this is like when you even go to the dentist. I love the dentist, by the way. And plus, you have to have like a good relationship with all your doctors. So, anyway, you have to relax, open up your mouth while they digging out that old shit, and breathe out your nose. Like, my nose is stopped up right now, but when your mouth is open, like, and breathe, like, that's why I coach my son while he go there, like, because you can go through panic mode with any situation. So just like with the case with the organization. With the orgasm, when that shit is like, it's so intense and powerful to where it's just you can't even control it. You can't control your own mindset. Relax. Consensual sex here we talking about. Relax and let it go, ladies. That's it. And it's a beautiful thing. And afterwards you'll be, how y'all doing? Is everybody okay? Did y'all have a great day? Oh, that's so nice. Hey, boo. You don't even like that baby. Hey, boo. Oh, that's your dog. You don't even like dogs. Hi, dog. Hi, such and such. Oh, it's so nice. You want me to cook? Yes, I will. What you need? You know what I'm saying? Like, to all that it just, it just takes like all the intensity that you have inside of your body when you have an orgasm. So my thing to you ladies is to relax. And people be telling me like, yo, they had like, the girl had like 4 orgasms. Bitch, I'll just be like, Which I'm having so many, it's ridiculous. Like, it's ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Especially like if we hear sexually and the man know how to, maneuver my body like that. Honey, child. This pussy will let loose and I let her. Go ahead, girl. Then hi. Because it releases all that tension that you have in your body, ladies. Like seriously. Stay in the moment. And he loving on you. Or she loving on you. Or they loving on you. I don't know how y'all get down in your bedroom. I'm just saying. So y'all let me know if y'all ever had an experience like that where you were having sex and you couldn't take it no more, or man, you was having sex with some female and it was just too intense, like she couldn't control it, or it just became too intense to where she didn't know how to receive it. And also men only receive it. And if you got a woman like that, what do you do? Like if it's like too intense for her, like too much of the naked, too much of you, the penetration and shit, just let her go and like, we have to learn how to be soft and gentle with each other. Just like and just take your hand, not like a soft one, but place your hand on her and just and allow your hand to just go down. Even if it could just be her arm or her back. You know what I'm saying? Or, it can even be her head. Like you can just take her hand and, just apply pressures with your hand. Like not, and just to let her know that you there and you got her, and and just and you can do this throughout her whole body, just to relax her and calm her down. You know what I'm saying? So men, do your part. And so men, have you ever experienced that, and how did you handle it? And women, have sex, the orgasm have been too intense to where you didn't know how to control it? And if so, we would like to know your story. So please share. I'd like to say thank y'all so much for viewing. My name is Rill, and I'm an intimacy coach with a service called Seductive Art. And I will be having my second Seductive Art since COVID on July 9th. You can go to my website and get all the information, which is seductive-art.com. Click upcoming events, and it'll take you to where you can purchase the ticket. And also, there's a up ticket. Did I say that right? Yeah. And there's also a video there on the tickets and explain what seductive art is. And y'all also know that I am which way we are. Author. The title of my book is called QUICKIE: 7 Short Erotic Stories. Read while you fuck while you read, is what I'm saying. And that will also be down in the description. It's an ebook form only, and it's $1.99. And you can read 20% of one story for free. So boom, there that is. I'm also a designer and a fashion architect. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Real All Things Fresh, and I am the underdog in fashion. I will be having some new arrivals coming really, really soon. I'm super excited about the shit. So yeah, so go over there and support that right now. I have dresses, I have tunics, I have tees, and I have some crop tops that you can wear on the beach, on the boat, all that shit. So yes, y'all go over there. And also you can read my blog, Let's Talk Fashion, on Real Nice at realnice.com. And also going back to the Seductive Art, seductive-art.com is the website. But you can also read I have a blog there called Pleasure Principle. So go over there. You can read that also for free. And also make your purchases as well. So yeah, that's all the shit I got going on. I say thank y'all so much. I already know. Y'all already know I used to give y'all this whole big spiel on be this, be that, be that, which y'all already know. All these positive, great things. But then again, I thought like maybe those things ain't you or whatever. Who the fuck knows? But whatever. The point of the matter is throughout anything, throughout you just conducting business, about you being a mom, about a father, about you just whatever the circumstances that you may find yourself in. I would always suggest that you always unapologetically uncut and raw something that is unique. It is like no one else. And what is that? And that is for you to always be you. And on that note, I just say thank y'all. And y'all have a great day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh, sorry. If I resonate with you, please hit that, click that, hit that, click that, hit that, click Thank you. Peace.